This is the Hummer EV. Check out the mods for the Hummer EV. Welcome door sill entry lights, RBG. You can change the color anything you like. You can have it in rainbow, you can have it solid color, all the colors you want, including white, and you can change the sequence. So many colors to choose from. So all four doors, including the rear. The rear is slightly smaller. You can see there. And then also the dash have lights on the dash there. Takes a few minutes to install. Very easy to install. You can also install it in the center console as well. So this one, you can remove it quickly to charge it. So there's a USB, micro USB right there to charge it. But you want to line it up so when you open the door, it turns on. It does turn off. So this one needs charging. So let me reset it. Let's see if it still has some battery. But again, you can just remove it without any adhesive. So it's just magnetized on the back. So it has a coating on there, so it won't scratch your vehicle, but you can always apply some PPF there. So it was just turned off. So you can turn it off if you don't like it. Turn it on when the door opens, so it's automatic now. Same thing with the front doors. So you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video for Hummer EV, including the SUV and the truck.